we're taking a closer look at an example of Hartman's Heritage 4-seater round set, which you can choose how to have by deciding your weave color, tabletop and chair type. Stock will go quickly, so order now before the combination you want goes. The 4-seater round set comes with a 2.5 meter luxury parasol that can tilt to protect you from the sun at any angle. With a crank function, you can simply wind it into place, and it's made from a weatherproof material, letting rain glide off to protect you during showers. It is held in place with a 15 kilogram base. All sets come with Hartman's weather-ready cushions that are made from a special microfibre material that repels light rain and allows heavy downpours to permeate through before drying. They also benefit from being moisture, mildew and UV resistant. On the underneath of the cushion is a grip material, stopping it from moving around on the chair and allowing the cushion to be easily removable. This video showcases the Heritage Bijou dining chair, and the 110 cm round table features the grey weave with the Tuscan ceramic glass top and natural finish. Also available is the regular dining chair, which has a higher back and also a back cushion. The set is available in a beech weave, with that ceramic glass top having a different finish. You can also get a plain glass top in both coloured weaves. The weave is made from a hard-wearing synthetic resin that is strong, lightweight and weather resistant, and with widespread feet, it is very sturdy. Enjoy your garden furniture set your way by simply picking your colour, chair and tabletop. Links to these can be found in the description box below. For additional comfort, you can also get a parasol heater, weather-ready scatter cushions and poofs, and a cooler. This Heritage stool opens up to reveal an integrated ice bucket. The stool is 42 cm squared and features Hartman's weather-ready cushion with grip to stay in place. For more sets from Hartman, please click on the video and don't forget to subscribe to the Garden for Less YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.